TV. This is my first video ever. And today, I'm going to be making slime. We have a bowl, spatula, Elmo's Magic liquid, and glow-in-the-dark glue. First, we need to put in the glue. And after we do that, now we need to put in Elmo's Magic liquid. Now let's mix it up with the spatula. It's all gooey and slimy. But it's worth it. Yes. Okay guys, I'm going to fill this. Ew. It feels so weird. So much. Now I'm going to add some more glue. Okay guys, I add more glue. Let's stir it again. I can smell it. So bad. Oh my god. Look at it. You see guys, it's so cool. Oh my god. This is so awesome. Now, since it's mixed, first we have to stop and just leave it there. In case you want to add more glue, well, go ahead, but now it's time to do this. Keep mixing, guys. I'm going to be back when it's ready. Told you after this, I will make slime. So in case you never knew how to make slime, now you do. In case you have glowing dark slime like I do, just turn off your lights so it can glow in the dark. Oh, and also, this is the end of this video, so make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you never miss another video. Bye!